Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the left speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 3.5mm and 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the left speaker to the top cover. Lift the left speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. The right speaker is removed in the same manner. Caution: the area of the system board with the right front speaker connector is easily broken. Use your finger to brace this area when disconnecting this connector. Replacement. Place the left speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 2mm and 3.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the left speaker to the top cover. Connect the left speaker cable into its connector on the system board. The right speaker is replaced in the same manner.